Alright, you guys, welcome back to another one. So this one we're just showcasing one of our products that we have. We call it the multiple tin container fire starting kit. And in the smaller one we're going to have our jumbo tinder wick fire starter that's basically just chopped up into 4 different pieces, and they actually expanded 3 separate pieces. And they're pretty easy to ignite. You're going to want to use a ferro rod, a match, or a lighter. And then in our bigger container we're going to have a couple of variety of things. We're almost going to have the same thing, but we're going to have a smaller version of a tinder wick where it's more like a rope-like length, where it extends out. And you're also going to get fat wood pieces, which comes in a variety of pieces, a good amount that you can use. And then we're going to showcase right here in this clip how to use it to basically make fat wood matches. And you can also use fat wood to use the shavings to start a fire as well. So there's plenty of uses to use fat wood to start a fire. And then the majority of the tin containers are going to have our Fire Ace fire starter. You're going to have more than enough to start a fire. Most of the times you're going to want to use like a golf ball sized pinch, but in this little video clip we're going to show how to use a bunch of it to start a fire in an immediate scenario with our TP fire lay. So pretty much we're just using a ferro rod to light it, and that's pretty much it for this multiple tin container fire starting kit. Thanks guys for watching. Take care of yourself and each other. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.